What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So in this video, we are going to be deep diving into Clickfunnels with affiliate marketing. So if you guys don't know, you can actually build a reoccurring income with Clickfunnels monthly. Now there are plenty of programs out there that offer this same type of affiliate program. There's people who crush it with Bluehost. There's people who crush it with Build-A-Rail. There's so many different programs out there that have a reoccurring aspect to it. So if that interests you, stay to the end and learn exactly how you can implement some of these strategies for your business. So let's dive right in. I'm pumped for this video.
Hey, this is Ryan Hildreth here with Anthony Alfonso, and today we're going to show you how to make $1,000 in recurring passive income with affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get into this. $1,000 is a very doable number, and we're going to show you part one. This is part one of the video where we're going to kind of do an overview of how to get started with this, and then part two, which you want to stick around for that. I'm sure we'll link that down below. That will show you on our computer. We're going to jump on our computer and show you some exact strategies of how to do that. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Anthony, you want to lead this one?
Yeah, that sounds perfect. So what we're going to be doing is showing you, one, how to sign up with Clickfunnels and become an affiliate. So the first thing you want to do if you want to get started to make that $1,000 a month, we're going to be using Clickfunnels. The reason being is that Clickfunnels, they actually have a monthly reoccurring system. So you've probably heard of people who say they want to make money with affiliate marketing, but they don't want to just make a sale one time. They want to make a sale reoccurring monthly. So if your income goal is, $1,000 a month or $3,000 a month, we're going to show you an easy strategy that you could actually implement to hit those goals. Now, the reason we're doing Clickfunnels is, one, they have multiple products that you can actually promote. The next reason is that Clickfunnels, they actually give about 40% commission on their affiliate products. So that's going to be another reason we're going to be sticking with Clickfunnels. But if you really want to get started with Clickfunnels, now there's going to be two strategies you can implement. One can actually be paid and one can actually be free. We can actually show you both on how you can get results using both. With free traffic, you're going to be wanting to use a little bit of SEO, but with paid traffic, now you're going to want to use either Google Ads, Facebook, or Bing. Those are the traffic source I recommend to actually get some results. But any thoughts, Ryan?
Yeah, for sure, man. So I actually want to talk about what Clickfunnels actually is so that you watching this video, you can understand, okay, well, sure, I want to promote some affiliate product, but what the heck is Clickfunnels? And the reason why we both promote Clickfunnels and we both use Clickfunnels, we pay for it monthly, is because it's a great service to build basically quick sales funnels, landing pages, right? When you see a website, usually, it's made with like GoDaddy or HostGator or something like that, and it doesn't have any action steps for someone to actually land on the site and then purchase a product. But Clickfunnels allows you to build quick websites in about 10 to 15 minutes that actually sell products. So Clickfunnels is a great service. We both believe in it. That's why we promote it, and we also pay for it. I have, I have the premium suite, which is like almost $300 a month, because I have an email autoresponder and the ability to build Clickfunnels. I think, Anthony, you have
same, yeah.
You have the same. Okay, yeah. So that's basically what Clickfunnels is. It's a software to be able to build landing pages, but also they teach they teach different marketing tactics.
Yes.
So they also have trainings. They have, Russell Brunson has books, expertsecrets.com secrets, and he's coming out with traffic secrets, and those are some of the best marketing books that I've ever read. So yeah, that's pretty much my take, or my kind of background on what Clickfunnels actually is. So now let's go about promoting it. And you said free traffic, yes, which you can do with your YouTube channel, you can do through Facebook groups, even through Instagram DMs. I have a lot of, there's one way that I like to do it for free, okay, and this is free traffic, is I will go onto an influencer's Instagram page, and if they don't know how to monetize their brand, maybe they have a link to a landing page to their website where it's like, buy my course for $497, right? There's no value being given there. So what I will do for them is I will build them a ClickFunnel, okay? And basically I'll say, hey, I built you this ClickFunnel. and it's a 3-step funnel. Okay, it's a opt-in page, so someone gives you their email for a free training that you're going to do for them, and you're going to maybe show one module from your course in this free training, right? So they watch that free training, and then the third step is now they're going to purchase your course, and you can literally integrate all of that into one ClickFunnel. So I'll build it for them. It takes about 15 minutes. I'm going to send the link to it, and if they decide to use that ClickFunnel, they're going to have to sign up with ClickFunnels, and I get that 40% reoccurring monthly income, and they get an awesome funnel that sells their program, right? So that's how I do it with free traffic. What about you?
Yeah, that's an excellent way to do it. So, you know, a lot of the guys, the big affiliates promoting ClickFunnels now, you always want to analyze and see what people are doing. And one strategy that they do is SEO. Now, if you don't know what that is, it stands for search engine optimization. So all that means is that you're going to put a video up reviewing a product. Then what you're going to do is rank your video for that keyword. So that's exactly what I did. So right now, if you go to YouTube, YouTube's one of the biggest search engines out there, and you type ClickFunnels for beginners or ClickFunnels training or ClickFunnels in general, you're going to see one of my videos closest to the top. Now think about how many thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people are going to the search engines to ask these questions. So what do you want to do? You want to get your video to actually show. So I have a video called how to master ClickFunnels in 20 minutes. I did a walkthrough on, you know, how I use ClickFunnels. This video was put up about 8-9 months ago, and that video there has brought me ClickFunnels sales. So huge golden nugget, like that video there has brought me ClickFunnels monthly reoccurring sales. So now that's all you have to do. So now there's a couple extra strategies. That's the free way. You put up a video giving value, and then you give a call to action. Like, hey, if you want to copy my share code with the funnel you just spent 20 minutes watching me build, click the link below and sign up and actually get the share code. Now with ClickFunnels, if someone uses that share code, they're cookie to you, and then now you have a referral on your ClickFunnels monthly reoccurring if they sign up. So that's a great strategy to do. And then next would be paid strategies. So we'll actually get into that. That'll be a bonus. We'll show you, some tactics, some easy tactics that you can do with paid traffic to get ClickFunnels signups. But yeah, I hope you guys are getting a ton of value. By the way, drop a thumbs up if you're getting some value from this, because we're gonna actually show you, how to get monthly reoccurring. This is no fluff. This is real stuff. Like, you rank your videos with the search engines, and then you get ClickFunnels sign up. So it's an easy process to follow. But yeah, any thoughts on that?
Yeah, man, no, I think we covered it all there. Let's go ahead and now jump on our computer, and we're gonna show you exactly how to set this up with free traffic, and then maybe we'll even throw in a bonus for you on how to do paid traffic. So we will see you in that video. Make sure to comment if you have any questions down below, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, so we're here on my computer with Anthony Alfonso, 6-figure super affiliate, and we're gonna show you the exact affiliate offer that you can promote with free traffic, and then for a bonus at the end of this video, we're gonna show you some paid traffic methods. So Anthony, let's go ahead and get into this. Do you wanna start this off?
Welcome everybody tuning into the video. So in this video, what we're going to talk about also is the free traffic first. So if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a tool that you can use for your business. If you're a small business owner or you're an entrepreneur, it does not matter, but you can use ClickFunnels to build websites. So one aspect that a lot of people don't touch base on is that you can actually promote ClickFunnels. The reason you promote ClickFunnels is because you can earn monthly reoccurring income. So with affiliate marketing, you can get paid a commission $50 once. But what if you made that $50 every single month reoccurring? So right now, we're logged into Ryan's affiliate account, and we're just going to show you the potential first, but then show you some strategies that you can implement. Let's actually show them the expert secrets. So if you guys don't know, ClickFunnels has a ton of products that you can actually promote. So for example, right now we're looking at the monthly reoccurring, but it's almost $500 a month reoccurring just off of promoting ClickFunnels products. So you can start to see the potential of what you want to do is sign up with ClickFunnels. It's free to sign up with, and then what you can do is look at different products that may work for your audience. So if your audience is more into a book audience, that where you can suggest a book, or if they want to use a tool for website building, look for what your audience may be interested in, and also try out the tool for yourself. But more importantly, so one of the tools we wanted to talk about within ClickFunnels is expert secrets.
Okay. So do you want to, should we go over to the next page?
Yeah, let's head over and show them the expert secrets page.
Awesome. So this is the expert secrets page, and this is honestly one of my favorite marketing books, and I promote this one because it helped my business so much, and it's helped a lot of my students' business. But you can, go to sign up for your affiliate link, and you can grab it here real easy. This would be the link that you would promote either on your YouTube channel or your Facebook group or somewhere where you could generate some free traffic, or even your Instagram. So this is kind of where I grab my affiliate link and I go down, and you see that this is your potential earnings. Okay, so I promote the book Expert Secrets because it's free plus shipping. So anyone could just go grab the book. All they have to pay is, I think it's like $7 for literally millions of dollars worth of value Russell Brunson is giving you. He's built ClickFunnels from literally zero, no startup capital, to doing over hundreds of millions of dollars. So and he shares his secrets in this book, and it's a free plus shipping thing. But once you promote this book, you can earn $1. Okay, earn $1 just for generating someone from purchasing that or getting that book. And then obviously what's nice is that ClickFunnels is going to promote, they're going to try to upsell and promote their other products and show what additional value they can provide to your audience, right? So they're going to promote the black box, which your earnings would be $14 from that, storytelling secrets, and all the way up to funnel builder secrets, where your earnings from this, if someone purchases this based off of getting that book for free, you're going to earn $798, and they're going to have an awesome training experience with Russell Brunson. So
yeah, and just to touch base on that, with affiliate marketing and with marketing in general, you always want to know your tracking. Like if you're going to run ads or you're going to use free traffic on YouTube or Instagram or whatever traffic source, you want to know where your sales are coming from or where your referrals are coming from. So if we scroll up to the top, we have our affiliate link where we can get access to it. All we have to do is choose here and then choose which link that we want to promote. But more importantly, if you don't know what a sub ID is, that just lets your tracking link know that someone bought from Facebook or they signed up from Instagram. So all you would have to do is just put IG, and then what it'll do, it'll automatically add it to your custom link that you're using to promote. Now, just to touch base, we want to use free traffic, and we can also use paid traffic. Now, I use both traffics, and so we're going to show you the free traffic method first. So if you don't know, YouTube has billions and millions of people that you can tap into just with using certain keywords. So for example, ClickFunnels for beginners. There's an actual tool you can use called vidIQ. vidIQ is actually a free tool that it's a Chrome extension. They do have a paid version of it, but you don't need to use a paid version unless you need more help with keywords, setting up your title, and getting some more suggestions. But as you can see, we can come here, type in ClickFunnels for beginners, but if we scroll down, look how many views these channels are actually getting. So 123,000 views, 10,000 views. We also have my video here, so I don't like teaching just theory, but you can also see that 11,500 views from using this title, Free ClickFunnels Tutorial, How to Build Your First ClickFunnel. So all you have to do is have a good thumbnail. You can go on Fiverr and hire someone to make you a thumbnail. And if you don't feel like you're creative, I'm not that creative with thumbnails, so I hire someone to help me with my thumbnails. But besides that, with using vidIQ, we can look at here on the side, top search keywords. So how to use ClickFunnels, 45,000 monthly searches. So as we've seen in ClickFunnels affiliate page that you can earn up all the way to almost $1,000 with different products in ClickFunnels. So ask yourself that, what is your income goal, and start making content related to that. So when you're using free traffic, you pay with your time, and when you're using your credit card, then obviously you're not going to be paying with your time. But in the beginning, when I very first started affiliate marketing, I dipped into paid traffic and I also dipped into free traffic. But you can see here a year ago, as I dipped into the free traffic, I made a tutorial with ClickFunnels just documenting the journey, and I've gotten ClickFunnels signups. monthly reoccurring signups just from that video alone.
Yeah, so as you can see, just like he was saying, he ranked his video for free ClickFunnels tutorial, so you can practice your SEO skills with affiliate marketing and free traffic. You could rank your videos, give free value, and in return, you're probably going to get some people that sign up for ClickFunnels and actually try it out and see if it works for their business. So this is a great way to do things. But we can also dip into paid traffic, okay? And that's kind of the bonus that we're going to share today. And the nice thing about paid traffic is you control the traffic. Here on YouTube, the platform controls the traffic. YouTube decides how many views you're going to get to your video. But if you want to control that traffic and decide, hey, I want to make X number of dollars, $1,000 a month recurring from ClickFunnels, I'm going to invest in paid advertising so that I know that I'm going to get 10,000 emails, and if 10% converts, that's $1,000, recurring income right there, or 1,000 people recurring income, and however much that adds up to, you can calculate that out. But if we go here back to the affiliate page where you get your affiliate link, if we go down, you can see that you can actually use posts that they have already made. Russell Brunson has already tested and proven these posts that are bound to go viral. They're bound to get engagement, and they're bound to get people clicking. So if you're like, well, Ryan, Anthony, I don't know, what creatives do I use for my Facebook ads to promote ClickFunnels? Well, they're right here. Well, Ryan, Anthony, I don't know what to write. I'm not a good copywriter. How do I write copy that sells in my ads? Well, they're right here. You have everything written for you and tested and proven. Well, Ryan, Anthony, I don't have banner ads. I don't have banner ads to promote ClickFunnels. I don't have the right Facebook ads. Well, they're all right here. So that's the nice thing about ClickFunnels, is that they provide you with the tools to promote their product. So yeah.
And one last note to touch base on that. You see a lot of people who make 5,000 monthly reoccurring with ClickFunnels, but everyone makes different amounts. But what I've seen, the people who crush with ClickFunnels, they give away free trainings, and with those free trainings, they monetize off of their affiliate links. So, for example, I can teach you affiliate marketing for free, but in exchange, I'll want your email, and then you can also use my free training, which is used with ClickFunnels, and most likely, you may actually use ClickFunnels. So a lot of the people who crush it with ClickFunnels affiliate program, they probably are giving you a free training. And also, keep in mind, ClickFunnels, they have a ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp. If you're not familiar with that, you can sign up for free with the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. And Russell Brunson's team, they go into a little bit more detail on how you can do affiliate marketing with it. I always tell people, if you're not ready for paid traffic, then learn everything that you can on YouTube for free. And that's why Ryan puts out content, I put out content, because there's people at the beginning stages, but this is one way you can actually get started. So use Expert Secrets, read the book, check out ClickFunnels, a free affiliate bootcamp, and decide if you're ready to try paid advertising or if you're ready to just try free traffic.
Awesome. Thank you, Anthony, for coming here on the channel. We're going to link our the affiliate bootcamp down below, so you can check that out if you want to do that. We're also going to link Expert Secrets, since we both love this book. We both read it, and it has definitely improved our business. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Still I stand. Hey, it's shouting, here I am. Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime a more divine southern rapper.